Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today's visit is about an exhibit I visited called We Are Creatively Black Baltimore, and it's at the Inner Harbor area, if you're familiar with that, towards a section of downtown. Now, when I first went inside the exhibit, I was honestly a little thrown off because it started off with a kind of like an underground hip-hop graffiti scene. And that wasn't really too much my vibe, even though I think that people should be able to express themselves creatively, but not every piece of art is for every person. You know what I'm saying? People do have their preferences. So I almost turned around, but I'm glad I kept going. The next section I saw was an exhibit called The Black Genius. And I thought this was really cute. But again, it's not to my personal taste, but I do like this for the sake of functional art. So this is the kind of art I personally would buy on products. I would buy a t-shirt. I really love these suitcases. If they had these for sale, then I would totally buy it. But a mug, pencils, pens. So this is the kind of art I like for function. But personally, it's not the kind of art that I would collect. I think just my taste is a little bit more old school. But I do think it's really cool and really funky, and I can see why a lot of people, probably especially a younger audience, will probably be really drawn to it. And I do believe this is of course it's Black Baltimore, so it is a local artist. So yeah, I thought it was really fun, very, very, very creative. And I thought these were nice as well. Again, something I probably wouldn't purposely buy, but I do like more traditional art, kind of like these. Kind of reminds me of LaShawn Bill almost, even though most of these are more creative. But I like one of my old school favorite artists is Charles Bibbs, so you kind of get a hint of what I'm more drawn to personally. But I really thought this was really cool. I like the colors in these pieces, and I like the fact that it's male and female. I think that gives it balance. So I thought this artist did a really good job of creating these art pieces. Further in the exhibit space, there was a display of these wood carvings, and I really like this one right here because it kind of reminds me or gives me an inspiration of what I could probably do for a clock. So I'll probably try to do something DIY related for that. But I really don't work with wood in this context, but I really like the fact that it was very unique. I love the details in it, and I think it's good for inspiration. And I like the fact there are artists out here doing something different. So I thought they did a really good job of making beautiful wooden pieces. Okay, so I'm about to share something that I know you're going to love because I'm in love. If I could move in here today, I probably would not come back. Y'all gonna love this. Watch. Now you guys need to forgive the gum chewing in this. I was not conscious, so love me past this. And here you can see this, to me, is somebody went in my mind and created a whole exhibit space. It is full of African wax print, objects, couches, pillows, lampshades, everything. I love this. I thought they did a beautiful job. I thought I got the curator or the artist's name, and when I locate that, I will be sure to put that in the description box below. But I really love the way that they executed this. I got closer to the walls, and they pretty much just put fabric on the walls. It's not wallpaper, and they didn't use anything besides kind of staples to secure the fabric to the wall. But I've been looking at some YouTube channels of them finding ways to making wallpaper out of fabric. So that is something I would like to try in the future. And I really like the way that they really use the different patterns and fabrics together. And it doesn't have to be just kind of like one color, but you can see how using different colors of fabrics together still can be very flattering and very complimentary. So I thought it was a really beautiful job of putting this like Afrocentric living room scene together. So I live here now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you are welcome to share. And also let me know what was your favorite piece or favorite exhibit. I suspect I might know what it is, but please let me know down in the comments. And thank you guys for watching.